Another magical day in Africa. I'm back. This time, best of all, with my son.
It looks like a root.
Truly blessed to be here and experience with him his first safari. I can't wait to experience it. Watch him experience his first safari. So glad we're here. Day one. Here we get started as the traditional African ritual of can you shoot?
That was fun. Getting stuck in the desert. Custom made sticks.
Man.
First African animal.
First African animal. I think the last one didn't
I hit him in the face.
Yeah. Oh. Thanks again. It's been enjoyable to watch a master's class on this. I know he's learned a lot, so thank you so much.
Right, we have bait. Right, that is a good height. A big male will stand about another foot above that. So you've got plenty of meat under here, plenty under there, and it'll keep him interested.
I've never been 25 yards away from two male lions that I've beat. I don't like being this close.
Hey, one thing I'm not there. But Joe, those eyes are amazing. It's like a welding rod. It goes straight through you, looking into your soul. That was looking death in the eyes.
I can't see him good enough. The second one there. The second one. You see him? Roger, the second one. Shoot him on the shoulder. Yeah, wait.
Right, that's a good shot. Well done. With 2,040 square k's, we have got a lot of baiting options. A lot of people don't understand the time of every day that we do checking baits. It's about sort of a 5-hour round trip checking our baits. So we do hunt in the interim while we are checking baits.
It was about 200 yards. Luckily I was able to get a shot into one, and so walked away with some bait and a trophy. So it was good success.
Yeah, lots of hard work checking baits on this big concession.
A lot of fun, beautiful birds. Really excited right now. Finally got some great pictures. Gonna set this blind up real quick, sit, hopefully it comes back in this evening. I just want to say thanks to all you guys for all the work you put in, and Dad, even though you're not feeling good, not able to be here, thank you so much. Without you, none of this would have been possible. Thank you, sir. Without your infinite wisdom, this wouldn't have been possible. And yeah, it's a great feeling. Nothing like it. A lot of excitement to end the trip.
Holy cow.
Yeah.
Buffalo hunting, man. It's always fun, always dangerous. Oof.
It's fun.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, so we have finished out traveling. I think I've seen Chewore South from north to south to east to west. Did not realize how much time you spend putting bait out when you're hunting lines. So we spent tons of time driving around, and we finished up all the baits. Didn't get the line, have no regrets, had such a wonderful time. So that's ended, and it's been a great safari. We are now on the river. Michelle recommended that I bring Logan down to the Zambezi. We do a little fishing. So glad I listened to her. Listen to your outfitter. Tiger on the Zambezi River. Especially when you're coming from the States.
Yeah. Oh man, that put up a pretty good fight. Wow, what a beautiful fish. Look at those teeth.
Look at that. You've never been to Africa. Having people on the ground that have lived here, that understand this beautiful country, pay attention to what they're trying to tell you. They're usually trying to give you something for your best interests. And today we caught tigerfish on the Zambezi with my son. Looked at hippos and elephants and plains game, and have met amazing people. So it's been an absolutely lifetime experience, and I'm so fortunate to get to do it, and so blessed to get to be here. It's been an absolute brilliant trip. Michelle and Buchanan Hunts, I want to tell you, thank you again for setting up an amazing experience, for handling the details, for organizing all the little pieces and parts from trucks to transport to bush planes, and making this trip for my son and I a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Thank you.